slow down. It's called a wave offering because it's waved?
It's a very complicated theological concept.
Okay, but why is it waved?
What normally happens with offerings that aren't waved?
They're a gift, normally food that's brought near to God.
Yep, placed on his altar and
Then sent upwards to God as smoke.
Right, so a wave offering was still given to God, but instead of him receiving it in smoke, it's given back.
Given back?
Yep, there's one example in Exodus 35. Anyone who wanted to contribute to building the tabernacle brought their gold and jewelry and presented it as a wave offering. And then it was used to furnish inside the tabernacle.
Well, that makes sense because you can't really send gold up to God in smoke.
Yeah, exactly. Gold isn't food. So this is one example of when an offering to Yahweh is not food.
Could a wave offering be food? I mean, could someone wave food in front of God and then God gives it back?
In Leviticus 7, God says, I have taken the breast of the wave offering and the thigh of the peace offering.
God has taken it, but does he keep it or give it back?
Yeah, he says, I have taken them and I have given them to Aaron the priest and to his sons as a permanent portion from the Israelites.
Right. So is that what's happening here in chapter 8? All this food, the unleavened bread, cakes mixed with oil, a wafer, the fatty portions, and the right thigh, all placed on Aaron's hands and waved as a wave offering before Yahweh.
Yep, God got some and Aaron got some. Then in verse 29, Moses waved some food as well. Moses took the breast and waved it as a wave offering before Yahweh. It was Moses' portion of the ram of ordination.
What, so Moses took it and cooked it and ate it?
Yeah, God gave it back to him. Same thing happens in 10:14. You and your sons and daughters may eat the breast of the wave offering, because these portions have been given to you and your children.
Given back.
Do you know who else is presented as a wave offering?
Did you say who else? Are you implying that a person is presented as an offering?
The Levites. In Numbers, Aaron offers the Levites before Yahweh as a wave offering.
Wow. So the Levites are presented in front of God and then given back to the Israelites?
Yep. They even had a hand laid on their heads too. They are brought near. The Israelites lay a hand on their heads, and Aaron offers them in front of God as a wave offering. And then God says, thus you shall separate the Levites from among the rest of the Israelites, and the Levites will be mine, for they are wholly given to me from among the Israelites. I have taken them for myself.
They get a hand on their heads and they're presented as an offering, a whole offering, but they don't die.
No, but they do draw near to God. Verse 22 says, and after that the Levites went in to perform their service in the tabernacle.
Yeah, right. They're an offering. They don't go up to God in smoke, but they do enter into holy space and come close to God. Do you know what? A wave offering provides a different perspective on sacrifice. God takes the Levites as an offering. They're cleansed and consecrated, and they enter into holy space to perform holy service.
Just like the gold for the tabernacle.
And the breast meat for the priest.
And Jesus himself. Jesus offered himself to the Father, and he offers himself back to us.
He took bread, gave thanks, broke it, and gave it to them, saying, this is my body given for you.